Hello, this is our presentation on our device, which is a solar-powered phototherapy device for infant jaundice, and this is Group 3A.
My name is Paula Andrea Gomez Estupiñán. I'm a mechanical engineering and biomedical engineering student at Universidad de los Andes in Bogota, Colombia.
Hello, my name is Noemi McIntosh, and I attend Florida International University.
My name is Andrea Catalina Peña. I am an anthropology and biomedical engineering student in Universidad de los Andes in Bogota, Colombia.
Infant jaundice, also known as neonatal jaundice, is a common condition characterized by yellowing of a newborn skin and eyes. It occurs when there is an excess of bilirubin in the baby's blood caused by the baby's immature liver, which may have difficulty processing bilirubin efficiently. The significance of infant jaundice globally lies in its prevalence and potential complications if left untreated, especially in developing countries. In these countries, infant jaundice is more common. There is as well an increased risk of complications without proper medical intervention. In many developing countries, there is a lack of awareness and knowledge about infant jaundice among caregivers, as well as a limited healthcare infrastructure.
Why we chose Ethiopia is because infant jaundice is highly prevalent in the country. Studies show that the hemolytic disorders and G6PD deficiency contribute to its high incidence. In Ethiopia, infant jaundice is prevalent due to limited healthcare access. Our solar power device offers a scalable and cost-effective solution and leverages solar power to overcome electricity challenges and provides effective phototherapy treatment.
Solar charging is chosen as an energy source for the low cost, durability, and sustainability that it represents. Also, it enables convenient movement of the baby within the crib. It's necessary to know that solar energy is generated by converting sunlight into electricity using solar panels made out of silicon cells. These cells absorb sunlight, creating electric current through a process called the photovoltaic effect. Solar charging offers numerous advantages, including reliable energy ability when sunlight is present and the ability to store excess energy in a battery for uninterrupted power during periods of limited or no sunlight. Furthermore, solar energy systems boast an impressive lifespan of over 30 years, contributing to reduce environmental impact and lower economic costs compared to non-renewable energy alternatives. Despite potential challenges related to storage and mobility, it is entirely feasible to develop a system that seamlessly attaches to the device, ensuring convenient movement. In the context of charging medical device, and as you can see in the image, a charge controller or a regulator plays a crucial role by effectively regulating solar energy and storing it in a battery for future use when sunlight is unavailable. This capability empowers a small solar system to provide renewable and clean energy solutions, particularly for powering portable medical objects like phones or monitoring equipment. Such solutions prove invaluable in areas without access to traditional power grids or during emergency situations.
So as you can see, this is our device, and these are going to be the individual parts that we're going to be speaking of. And this is just an overview of how it looks separated and together. Going together, we start with a fiberglass chain because that will be the cheapest option, and it's also a really good reflective light. And we have a retractable section, and then a bottom part which will connect to the wheels, as you will see, which also contains a battery, which is a backup power source for the device. And this is the device together. As you can see at the very top, we have this light source which will be made of both UV and LED lights to both save some money and make it as safe for the baby as possible. And we also have some power control on top, which will help with temperature regulation, how long the device needs to stay on, and making sure that the baby doesn't get too much of it on its skin. And followed up, this is just how it looks together, retractable up and down. And one of the reasons we actually made this is because there's a community aspect in a lot of these developing countries, and our idea was we must make a device that is helpful for the community. And in Ethiopia specifically, there's a lot of health posts and health centers, and these can be really, really helpful, especially when, let's say, you need a device from one health center to another, one health post to another. By making this device movable, it can be very impactful for the community as a whole.
Phototherapy is often recommended as the first-line treatment for neonatal jaundice by the experts. In developing countries, this is the best option, since these countries have higher risk of complications caused by untreated jaundice. Using solar charging lamps for phototherapy in developing countries can offer several benefits. Some of them are the accessibility, portability, affordability, environmental sustainability, and it's quite useful in emergency situations. Many experts approve of phototherapy treatment as the best treatment for neonatal jaundice. Giving these countries a solar and more environmental friendly option will benefit a lot of families and communities in these countries.